Alright, here we have a 2008 Chevy Malibu LS. Gonna be working on the front end here today. Full disclosure, I did this damage. Backed into my wife's car several months ago. Got a hole here in the grill. Damage over here to that trim plate and to the front end itself there by the license plate. It's cracked. Not good, she's not happy. Now I found a place online called Paint and Ship. You give them the paint code for your vehicle, use your VIN number to retrieve that. They'll paint it, ship it to you. It comes wadded up in a box, literally a quarter of that size that you can see here. Believe it or not, the plastic's really flexible, and if you sit out in the sun and let it warm up slowly, you can mold that and pull that back out, and it'll look like brand new again. So they sent me one and it was cracked right here. So the great thing, when I called them on it, they sent me another one free of charge, free shipping. So next we're going to tear this thing apart. I'll get my GoPro out. We'll do the time-lapse video here for you, and we'll speed this process up a little bit. Later in the video, get some nice close-up shots of where the bolts and plastic fasteners are along the top, over top of the radiator, also inside the wheel wells, and then underneath where the air dam is at. You need a flat blade screwdriver and a ratchet socket for that. I'm also going to replace this other headlight over here. It's a little milky colored. It's the original one. The other side had already been replaced from another previous wreck. So I'm going to put another headlight in here today as well. Got to reclaim these pieces here and here. And also that top grill is going to be reclaimed. There's nothing wrong with that. So let's get out the GoPro. And here's the new bumper cover after it has been taken and sat in the yard, allowed to warm up in the sun, reform it, and got all the twists and bends out of it after got it out of the manufacturer's box. Here's a look at the back side of that old bumper cover. There's all the components that have to be put on this new one. Reclaim all the metal clips off of this old one and put those on the new one as well. You'll need every one of them. As promised, here's the top side view. I've got approximately there's 4 10mm bolts here. There's 3 here, 4 across the center here, and then you'll see one up there by the intake as well. Then 3 more here. Then we have these plastic push buttons. You'll need a flathead screwdriver for these. Look here, I left one up a little bit so you could see it. You'll want to get the flathead screwdriver under there and pry that up. Pull that out. Then that whole cover will lift off. Now over in the wheel wells, we've got the same plastic tabs here. Here's one here, here, and here. There's 3 of them. Now up on the side of the wheel well, it's kind of hard to see. It's another 10mm bolt. It's at an angle, and it'll help you if you actually turn the wheel out of the way so you have access to the wheel well. Same thing on the other side. On the underside, we have these 8mm screws. They screw into metal clips. Those metal clips will have to be reclaimed and put back on the new bumper.
All right, here we are fully assembled. New grill. I decided I didn't like that Chevy emblem. I'm probably going to buy her another one. Didn't look like it was in too good a shape. Get another one online and put on there. Other than that, we're brand spanking new and it looks great. Turned out perfect. She should be happy.